Let's start. Today we will see how to use various computer code tags in the HTML. First, we will see the code tag. In the body tag, we have written some text inside a div tag. And we have written the same text inside a code tag. The text inside the div tag will be in normal simple text format, whereas the text inside the code tag will be in a different text format as if it is a computer-generated code. Next, we will see the keyboard tag. Here we have written some text inside a paragraph tag, but some words are written into the keyboard tag. The words written in the keyboard tag will be seen in a different text format. Next, we will see the sample output tag. Here we have written some text inside a paragraph tag, but some words are written into the sample tag. The words written in the sample tag will be seen in a different text format. Then we will see the variable tag. Here we have written some text inside a paragraph tag, but some words are written into the variable tags. The words written in the variable tags will be seen in a different text format. All these tags format the text differently so as to distinguish the text from the rest. Let's run this code in the browser. As you can see, the text in the div tag is in normal text style. But the text in the code tag is in a different text format. Similarly, the text in the keyboard tag is shown differently than the rest of the text. Similarly, the text in the sample tag is shown differently than the rest of the text. Similarly, the text in the variable tag is shown differently than the rest of the text. So that's it. That's how you can use various computer code tags in HTML. Thank you.